In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a payment method and link a bank account in Google Ads. First, open your Google Ads account and sign in. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the billing section. You'll typically find it in the left-hand menu. If you don't see it there, open the Tools and Settings menu at the top and choose Billing from the list. This takes you to the area where all your payment settings live. Next, click Payment Methods. This is where you'll add a new way to pay for your ads and manage any existing options. You'll see a button or link to add a payment method. Click that to begin the setup. Now choose your preferred payment method. You can select a bank account if you want funds to be pulled directly from your bank, or you can choose a card. Since we're focusing on linking a bank account, select that option. Have your bank details ready, such as your account number and routing or sort code, as well as your business name and billing address exactly as they appear on your bank records. Enter the information carefully to avoid delays. After you've entered your bank details, follow the prompts on your screen. Google Ads will guide you step by step through the process. Depending on your location and bank, you may be asked to verify the account. Sometimes this involves confirming small test deposits that appear in your bank statement. If prompted, simply return to the Payment Methods page and confirm those amounts to finish verification. This step helps prevent payment issues later. Before you save, double-check that your billing address, country, and currency are correct. These settings affect how you're charged and are difficult to change later. If you're adding multiple methods, you can set your bank account as the primary option so it's used by default. When everything looks good, save your changes. Google Ads will confirm that your new payment method has been added. If verification is required, you'll see instructions on what to expect and what to do next. A quick tip: make sure you have the right permissions in your Google Ads account. If you don't see the option to add payment methods, you may need an administrator to grant you access. Also, keep an eye on any alerts in the billing section. They'll let you know if something needs your attention. That's it. You've opened your Google Ads account, gone to billing, clicked Payment Methods, selected your preferred option, entered your bank information, and followed the on-screen prompts to finish setup.